So how does the Honor 9X stack up as a phone for gaming? We've just got it beside the K20 here to give you a little bit of context to see where it's good and where it's lacking. You can see versus the K20, it's a bigger phone all round. Both have a mono speaker at the bottom. The SIM card tray and headphone jack are swapped round on both of the phones. The Honor 9X is a bigger phone, 6.6 inches that screen. So yes, it is bigger than the K20. It's on the bigger side, this phone, but it's not uncomfortably big thanks to pretty small bezels. The first game is Tranue, which is a first-person shooter game, very high action. It was loaded first on the Honor device. Go back and see it if you missed it. Both had good touch response. The Honor being an LCD screen and the Redmi being an AMOLED screen. The technology is different between them, and you can see a little bit of difference in the colors between the two devices. This is a screen recording on the Honor 9X. It's a really good option, and it even shows your touch points, as you can see here. It's a cool feature, and it comes as standard with the Honor. What I would say about the K20 is the colors do seem a bit richer. There's a bit more contrast. Next up is王者荣耀. Who loads it first? It is the Honor again. Both have the same battery capacity, although an LCD screen might use up a little bit more battery than an AMOLED, although honestly there are so many other factors that go into it too, like the processing power. Both processors are top-notch mid-range chips. Maybe you can see a difference in the colors between the Redmi K20 and the Honor 9X. But overall, gameplay is really great on both devices, even if I died this time around. So who will load NBA Live first? It is just the Honor again. This game is really fast paced, and I felt like the Honor 9X gave me a little bit more room to move my fingers. I like the bigger device for this game at least. Just anecdotally, without taking a specific temperature reading, I think overall the K20 just ran a little bit hotter than the Honor 9X most of the time. However, neither of them overheated or felt too hot. It's very normal when you're playing fast paced games like this one. Alright, let's stop wasting time. Let's get on to the one you all want to see. PUBG. It was loaded first on the Honor yet again. Staying true to the speed test results, it looks like this Kirin 810 processor just tops the 730 processor. It seems to have a little bit more power, do things a little bit more efficiently. That would make sense considering it's a 7nm chip compared to the 8nm chip in the Redmi. It's all very similar when you're playing PUBG between these two. What I would say is that the colors on the Redmi using that AMOLED screen seem to be a bit punchier. However, the colors are also good on the Honor 9X, and it has a slightly bigger screen, which I preferred when I was playing. So I know you can use GFX tool to soup up both of these phones. I'm not going to do that in this review. I just want to review the phones as they come out the box and what you expect to get from the package that you buy. So comparing them, they are exactly the same. Even though I think the Kirin 810 is a slightly more powerful chip, this is the maximum settings on both phones. As you can see, in PUBG, out the box, they have the same settings. So how do you choose between these two? They are very similar. I like the colors on the Redmi, But that Kirin 810 chip is starting to look like a really good deal, especially in the Honor 9X.